The only thing stopping you from living your ideal life and manifesting that is fear. What if I could show you how to break through fear and give you the tools to live the kind of life you love with your career, how you earn money, freedom and passion, and living that life every day. You see, we separate how we earn and what we do for a living with our regular life. And that's just not how things work. We wonder why we can't manifest joy and abundance. It's because there's a disconnect between the two, because that's how we've been living up until this point. And I'm here to show you that there are tools right now that could completely change your life. You might recognize me from my popular YouTube channel as a spiritual mentor. And I'm going to tell you right now, just a couple years ago, I was an investment banker. I changed my life. I decided to step outside the matrix and break through my fears, and I'm now living the life I love. You see, I wanted to be a writer. I threw everything in. I owned the company because I wasn't loving my life. I was getting heart palpitations. I had no time to do anything I really loved. And I decided it was time. It was time to make that change because now we have tools to do it. I got internet training and I learned how to create online businesses to create the kind of income that could support the things I love. To not have to go into an office or be at the beck and call of clients. I wrote a best-selling, award-winning book that got turned into a television movie, and I have several more. I created online businesses that now support me, in fact, better than when I was an investment banker. I'm flourishing, I'm expanding, and I'm living a life of passion and meaning and purpose. And that's what we all want, isn't it? I love what I do for a living. I'm making a difference on this planet, and you can do the same. What if I could show you a community of people that not only taught you how to use the tools to create that income, but doing something that you love. You don't need products, you don't need services, you don't need a business background or experience, you don't need any education at all in technology or business. You simply need to want to make that change. You want to be able to break past that fear, and we'll show you how to do it because I will show you tools to create online businesses in a community of people that are breaking past their fears, that are spiritually minded, and doing things that we never had available to us just a few years ago. It doesn't matter what your age. It doesn't matter what your background. You just have to want this. And if you're willing to put in the work, we will show you step by step how to do this. How do you create a business so you can work out of your home? How do you create multiple income streams that are automated so you can travel like I do? My life has changed completely. I'm now making a difference on this planet. From a successful investment banker to a spiritual mentor and an internet entrepreneur. It's an amazing life. And all we have to do is step past those limitations that we have created. You can do it, and if you join us, you can join a community of people that are making a difference on this planet and changing their own lives, embracing it and moving past the fear that limited them and going after their dreams. You can do it. If you click somewhere on the screen here, you can get free videos, a series of videos that explains this. They're free, giving you information, and you can decide if this is for you or not. I will be there, and I will personally help to mentor you along this pathway. You see, it's not easy to go it alone. And when we work in business and we're struggling, we're on our own, competing with one another. What if we changed all that? And you were in a community that supported everything, that cheered you on and gave you all the tools, the knowledge, the information, the tech support, and showed you how to pull all of that together to create that powerful business platform that includes a life you love that you're passionate about. It's all possible. People are doing it. Thousands of them. We're breaking outside the matrix, and you can do it too. I hope that you'll join me. All you have to do is click somewhere here on the screen, subscribe. If you don't like it, you unsubscribe. Isn't it worth breaking past those fears? What are you afraid of? Knowledge is powerful, and it's available to you now in a way it never was before. Come join us in our quest to change this planet, to live lives we love, and to be abundant. You can be spiritual and abundant at the same time. We'll show you how. Click on the screen, and I'll join you on the other side where we'll explain further how all of this works, how you don't have to be tech savvy, how anybody can do this who's willing to put in the work. This is a business education, and we show you how to change your life using technology, business, your passion, and implementing all of it to create that dream life that you desire. We can manifest it now. Join me. Click on the screen. You'll go into my email list. If you don't like it, you unsubscribe. Otherwise, don't wait another day to go after your passion. This is your life. All you have to do is break past those fears, and you can manifest anything you desire. Thanks for listening. Click on the screen, and I hope to meet you on the other side. Take care.